Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is a speed clean and declutter in this bedroom of mine. This is where I put my makeup on, and I've got my doll collection and mirrors everywhere, believe it or not. And it's just such a mess. The desk I'll show you in a minute is such a mess. So I'm going to do a speed clean, and I'm just going to fast forward it all, and you can just enjoy a cup of coffee while you just watch me clean and organise this bedroom. I've got a bunch of clothes on the floor which actually need going to the charity shop, so I'll fold them up as well, put them in a bag, and then we'll get on with sorting out the makeup. So let me turn around and show you the makeup. So as you can see behind me, oh, ignore the dolls. As you can see behind me, I've got makeup everywhere, mirrors everywhere. All the mirrors have got different magnification, so they work for different parts of my magnifying. I've just got everything everywhere. It's just such a mess. I just need to go through it all, and it's also on this side as well. As you can see, I've just got everything everywhere. I need to do something about this. So enjoy the video. That's it. That's all I wanted to do, was just have a quick clean up. It's been a few days since I last cleaned that shelf there, so as you can see, it was quite dusty. I wasn't going to go through all the makeup and sort it all out into the right compartments. I just thought I'd leave it like that. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and I'll see you again. Bye.